If you're using Gmail and Google Calendar every day and you're thinking about getting a CRM, this video will save you hours. Most CRMs are overkill for Google users, but there's one CRM that actually works inside Gmail. Today I'll be breaking down the best CRM for Google Workspace, especially if you live in Gmail and Google Calendar. I'll show you why Copper CRM is the top choice, who it is best for, and when you shouldn't use it. If you want to try Copper CRM yourself, there's a free link below that will allow you to sign up. I've pinned it in the top comment and also the description. Now let's dive in. Here's the problem I have with most CRMs for Google Workspace users. They tend to be built for sales teams and not for people who live in Gmail. So you end up doing double the work. So you email someone in Gmail and then from there you have to transfer the data to the CRM. That's where Copper CRM is different. Copper is built specifically for Gmail users. So for example, you can see I'm in Gmail right here. All I need to do is simply tap on the Copper icon in the top right hand corner, and from there I'll be able to add a contact. For example, I'll be able to also set up follow-ups. I'll be able to also add a meeting if I want. There are numerous options that I can do. It lives directly inside Gmail, so emails auto-log to contacts. Contacts are created automatically, and Google Calendar syncs meetings instantly. I don't have to be switching tabs. You don't have to copy and paste. It just works. Now let me show you a live demo of how this is done. The first thing I want you to do after clicking the link, from there you'll be able to sign up using your Gmail account. Once you're signed up, you'll be redirected to a dashboard just like this. And the first thing we're going to be doing, we're going to be adding the Copper CRM to our Gmail. To do that, you're going to tap on Connect to Gmail. Then it is going to open up a new window. And you're going to simply add the plugin. So you'll tap on Add Plugin. Once you have done that, you're going to see it appear in the top right hand corner. So for example, I could tap right here. And then from there, you could choose to pin Copper CRM if you want. Once you have pinned the Copper CRM extension, you'll be able to use it in your Gmail. You'll also be able to use it in anything when it comes onto your Google Workspace. You can also use it in LinkedIn. Now, let's say, for example, you were to receive an email, like this email better yet. Once you have received the email, all you need to do now, you could tap on Add to Copper. Once you have tapped on Add to Copper, as you can see right here, it will be adding the company name and company information. Then you can select the contact type, whether it be a potential customer or current customer. And you can also change the contact type if you want. You can create a contact type. Once everything is to your liking, you can choose whether you would like it to be visible to everyone or not. So once that is okay, you're going to simply tap Create Follow-up Task if you would like to create a follow-up task. Then you can give the task a name. You can select the activity that you want. For example, if you like to follow up with a phone call, meeting, to-do, or SMS, you can select that. You can also set up recurring meetings or recurring follow-up tasks or activities, as you can see right here. So you're given numerous options. And as you can see, I haven't come out of Gmail. So all of this activity is being done inside of Gmail. And if we were to go into Google Calendar, you also see the Copper icon. So you'll be able to, for example, add persons from Copper right here, and you'll get access to the Copper tools right here. And if we were to go into the Copper dashboard, this is how your dashboard will look. And this is an email example that I used from GetResponse. So this is where you'll be able to monitor everything. So you'll be able to monitor all of your inboxes. And you can also see the different options that you'll be getting when you sign up with Copper CRM from the left-hand menu option. You'll be able to create a pipeline. So depending on the field that you're in, you can create different types of pipelines. So if we were to tap on Create Pipeline, for example, tap on the plus right there. If you're in sales, you can select sales. You have project management, you have customer management, you have numerous options. You can also browse by industry. So whether you be in real estate, you're an agency, or in construction, Copper CRM provides a template that you can simply plug and get started. It's as easy as that. This is one of the most beginner-friendly CRMs on the market. And if we were to check out the pricing when it comes onto Copper CRM, it is also quite affordable. In fact, you can get started without putting in your credit card information, and you can see that your starter plan begins at $12 and it can go up to $134. It all depends on the amount of contacts that you have and also the amount of features that you'd like access to. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll be going more in depth into how to use Copper CRM and the different features in another tutorial. Thanks for watching.